everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on what I see here in the gold futures. Because we did have quite a big pullback today, and I did have people asking questions today. So we did come back to this symmetry here at 1902, and now we have bounced. I do have some resistance for you that we are coming up to at 1926.7, but if that low from today is in place, then your overall target is going to be 1978, with the next target being 1999. I did go ahead and look for you to see if we had triggered on a 15-minute chart, and we are not quite there yet for a swing trade, but we have triggered on a 5-minute chart, which would typically be good for a day trade. So if you are trading this overnight, I just want you to please be aware of the resistance that we are coming up to here at 1926.70. I wanted to see if I could get you a closer setup zone here on the 5-minute chart, but unfortunately, it has already slipped away from us here. But if you are already trading gold and wondering what the target off of that more recent 5-minute swing is going to be, you're looking at 1928 and 1931. Again, here is your setup on the 120-minute chart. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Wednesday, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.